The Motorola V975 is a mobile phone model that was first released in 2005. It features a clamshell design and a 2.2-inch color display with a resolution of 176 by 220 pixels. Other features of the Motorola V975, WAP browser, multimedia messaging, email, and support for Java applications. The phone has a small internal memory of 30 megabytes, but it also supports microSD cards up to 512 megabytes for additional storage. The Motorola V975 was one of the first phones to support 3G technology, which enabled faster data transfer speeds and improved multimedia capabilities. However, it was released at a time when 3G networks were still being rolled out in many countries, which limited its availability and appeal. Overall, the Motorola V975 was a solid phone for its time, offering a range of features and capabilities that were innovative and advanced for the era. However, it has since been surpassed by more advanced smartphones with more powerful hardware and software capabilities.
Motorola V975 features a 1.3 megapixel camera with a digital zoom, which was a relatively high-resolution camera for phones at the time it was released. The camera has various settings and options, including white balance, self-timer, and a night mode for low-light situations. The camera can also record video with audio, although the quality is relatively low compared to modern smartphones. Additionally, the phone has a secondary VGA camera on the front, which can be used for video calls. Overall, while the camera on the Motorola V975 was relatively advanced for its time, it would not compare favorably to the camera capabilities of modern smartphones. However, it was a significant step forward in mobile phone camera technology at the time of its release.
Leave a comment below and let me know which retro mobile phones you'd like to see on my channel, or which classic mobile phones you'd like to see make a comeback in the future. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and I look forward to sharing more content with you in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.